Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a basic menu in HTML and CSS. For this, I assume you have some basic knowledge in HTML. So here in body, we take div and take class menu. I have linked a style sheet to the HTML file, and we will design the menu class in it. So we take dot menu, we take width say 960 pixel, height we take 30 pixel, and we take a background color. So um, say we take, I don't know, 333, and let us check how our menu class looks like. So yeah, so you can see this is our menu background and it is shifted to right. We have to keep it in the center. For this, what you do is we take margin. Now if you want to uh, keep it a bit downwards, you have to take say 10-20 pixel from this is for top to bottom, and for left to right we take auto, and we have our menu 20 pixel from shifted 20 pixel from top, and it is perfectly aligned. Now we make our tabs. So for this we have to take an unordered list, and inside the unordered list we take list. Anchor tag, we take anchor tag here because we want our user to go to be taken to another page when they click a button. So usually uh, we write the name of the URL here, but here we don't have any URL, so we just write hash. And if we have say six buttons in the menu, we take it, we copy it 6 times, and inside the tag we write home, about us, projects, members, and FAQs, and finally contact us. So let us check how it looks like, and you can see there are a few problems. One, that the tabs are stacked from top to bottom. We want it side by side, and you can see there are bullet points. We don't want it either, and we also want to remove the underlines and change the color, because as the background is blackish, we want it. Uh, we want to take the text color white. So first of all, what we do is we want to change the remove the bullet points. So bullet points are attributes of list, so we change the list attributes. For this, you see the list is inside menu ul li. So we go to the style sheet and write dot menu ul li, and we write list style none. See, the bullet points are gone. Now we want to uh, we want to make them we want to keep them side by side, so we write float left. As the color is a bit dark, you cannot see it, so let us change the color so it will be clear to us. So to change the color of the text you see are in the anchor tag, inside the anchor tag. So we have to change the attributes of the anchor tag. The anchor tag is inside menu eval lia, menu eval lia. So we write dot menu eval lia, and now we change the color to white, hash fff. Alright, now if we have taken this color, say here, it wouldn't have worked. Why? Because the text is inside the anchor tag, and we have to change the attribute, the color, inside the anchor tag. Alright, now we have two problems. We have the underlines and the text. There's no gap between the text. So so first of all we put some gap. Say we take padding here. Padding from top to bottom we take no padding, and from left to right say we take 20 pixel. 20 would be enough, I think. So yes, so you see there are quite a bit of gaps. Now we want to remove the underline, and so you write inside the anchor tag, you write text decoration, text decoration none. Oops. Alright, so you see the underline is gone, underlines are gone, and now there is another problem. You see the home, the text are not aligned from top to bottom, so we have to keep it in the middle. For this, in list, or maybe inside here, or you can just do both. I'd like to write it inside the list. You write line height, line height, line height 30 pixel. Alright, so now our background is 30 pixel, so we take line height 30 pixel. That's why, so that it it remains in the middle from top to bottom. But if we had taken height say 40 pixel, we'd had to take the line height 40 pixel. So now we see the texts are perfectly aligned. So let us give the tab some border. We take border right, oops, border right 1 pixel, solid, and color say white. And now you see we have some. Alright, now here we see there is a problem. See, between in the each tab the gap is almost the same, but here in home, in the left side the gap is more, and this is because you see all the lists, they are in the eval tag. Every element in the HTML have some uh, default properties or attributes. Have some default padding or margin. We have to change that. So we write dot menu ul. They have some default padding and margin. We take padding 0 and margin 0, and here you go. You see now they are perfectly aligned. So always keep in mind that there is a default padding and margin to each and every element, so we have to make it 0 to make it perfect. So we'll make the sub menus, that is the drop downs, in the next video. Thank you for watching.